Windows R? Wait, what, huh? No, not that kind of window. The Windows Run dialog. Let me back up just a little bit so that you can understand what I am talking about. So I'm going to be talking about the Windows Run dialog. There are a lot of powerful things you can do here in the Windows Run dialog, like open up the regedit or registry editor, and PowerShell in the terminal and the command line and all those, or even browse the web and open documents and folders. So in this video I'll be giving you a tour on Windows Run 101. Let's begin! Hello everybody. As I said, today we're going to be talking about Windows Run Dialog 101, so I'm going to first show you how you can open up programs such as regedit and PowerShell inside the registry editor and even the calculator. So to do that, as I said, you're going to press Windows R, you're going to do that, you're going to then to open it up, you're going to type in regedit.exe, that's very important. This dialog will come up, hit yes, and then you can do whatever you want to do in regedit. So yeah, that's one way to open up regedit. Now I'm going to show you PowerShell. It's basically the same thing. You do PowerShell.exe, hit enter, and then PowerShell will open up. You can do your normal PowerShell stuff. Like I'm going to CD to my desktop because that's the one I know to do best. Then /ls clear touch. And then yeah, and you can do all your little PowerShell stuff in there. Next program you can open up, you can open up any program as long as you know it's .exe name, the exe name. So all you have to do is then again open up calculator, first Windows R, then type in calc.exe, hit enter, and calculator is gonna load up for you. Okay, everybody, so now I'm going to show you how you can web browse inside your Windows R Run dialog. Windows R, Windows on dialog box, whatever you want to call it. But there is a catch to this, is so that in order to do this, you have to have the full link. It can't just be Amazon.com or YouTube.com. It has to be like HTTPS and whatever website, youtube.com, https, youtube.com. And if you want to go directly, you have to have all that slash stuff. So since I'm just going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to do this using my YouTube channel link as an example. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit Windows R, and then you're going to want to type in your website you're going to. So I'm just going to use my YouTube channel. It autofills for me, so because I've done this before. So you're going to type in https colon / youtube.com / symbol capital I am Vortex Viking. So that's the link to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to be using this as an example. So I'm going to hit enter, and it's going to open up in my web browser. I use Arc, by the way. Maybe I'll make a video on my Arc web browser soon, but yeah, it's going to open up soon. And see, yeah, you can just check out my channel. You can just watch some more videos. I mean, why not? So yeah, you can watch all my videos, and that's just how you can use that feature. Okay, so now if you're going to want to open up a file, it's a little bit more tedious than the other two we did. So if you're going to want to do this, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have the exact file path. Like let's say you're going to have to open up something on your desktop, you're going to have to do C, users, whatever your username is, and then desktop, and then the name of the file and whatever folders it's in. So it is a little tedious. I just copy and paste the file path for just for this example today. So I'm going to show you what you can do. Type in Windows, hit Windows R, and it should pop up. So I accidentally hit the function key. So next you're going to type in your file path. This is what I'm doing, just opening up my desktop. I'm just going to hit enter, and it's going to open up in your file explorer. So yeah, that's super cool. So like, subscribe, and enjoy. More tip, I'm not going to mention this video because it's in my speed up PC video. So it's in my how to speed up your PC video. It's my first video. It's the most speed one I have on here. So if you want to learn that one tip and get your computer faster than ever, you got to check out that video. I'll have a link in the description. And yeah, so that's some cool stuff you can do in Windows R. So hope you enjoyed it.